What's going on, guys? Big Time 110 here. Today, I want to talk about the MIUI ROM 11 for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, this ROM has a lot of features, nice features at that. But the problem right now is that, at least for me, it keeps freezing or it glitches out and it just goes back to the lock screen. Sometimes it's unresponsive. And as much as I want to recommend this ROM for you guys to try it out and maybe use it as a daily driver, I can't. It's just too many things. Let's start with the good things. Aesthetically, it's really nice. I like all this. The dark theme. You could activate the Google Now launcher on the left. I like this feature a lot. But with all that being said, once you start having glitches, they don't stop. It feels fluid. I mean, don't get me wrong, it feels good, but these small glitches need to go. Number one, the fingerprint reader doesn't work. I know it's being worked on. That's what the developer of the ROM, states. He stated that it's work in progress. I get that, but let me show you guys. I think we have a problem with. I always get an error here with this one. Xiaomi SIM activation service, and also the Find My Device. I had to turn it off, and I still get a error message with that. But other than that, I mean, there's so many features that make this ROM unique, and I do like it. For the first time, MIUI has we have the app drawer. There we go, app drawer. But we have double tap to wake. We have an all-on display, which is cool. We have that. If you press to the side, we get these options: flashlight and those shortcuts. We do have you see how the camera pops up and recognizes me? That works most of the times until it starts glitching on you. Once that happens, you can't get out of there. Let's see what we can see here. Let's see if we could replicate the glitching. So far, it's working good. Turn on the Wi-Fi. Well, another good thing is we have the full screen gestures from Android 10 here. But honestly, guys, I would just suggest you guys wait. Maybe wait till they make it a more streamlined, easier to install than what it is now. At the moment, it's really difficult to recommend, especially with a lot of these like this right here. I don't. Do I activate? Okay, I press activate, but I don't know if it's gonna. Well, anyways, it's gonna start glitching any minute now. Once it starts glitching, it's done. So guys, thanks so much for the feedback, the recommendations, but don't install this ROM. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.